In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add MX records in your hosting your domain step by step. If you're connecting your domain to a custom email service like Hostinger Email, Google Workspace, or any other email provider, adding the correct MX records is absolutely essential to make sure your emails are delivered properly. Don't worry if you're not technical. I'll walk you through everything in a simple and beginner-friendly way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and domain tutorials. Now let's get started. First, you need to open your Hostinger hPanel. Go to hostinger.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Domain section. Click on Domains and you'll see a list of all the domains connected to your account. Select the domain name where you want to add the MX records. After selecting your domain, look for the option that says DNS or Manage DNS. Click on that, and this will take you to the DNS Zone Editor. Scroll down slightly until you see the DNS Zone Editor section, where all your current DNS records are listed. Before adding new MX records, there's a very important step that many people skip. You need to delete any old or existing MX records. If you leave old MX entries there, they can conflict with your new email provider and cause email delivery issues. So carefully look through the list of DNS records, find any records with the type labeled MX, and delete them. Make sure all previous MX records are completely removed before moving on. Now let's add the new MX record. Click on the Add Record button. From the Record Type dropdown, select MX. You'll now need to enter the values provided by your email provider. For example, if you're using Hostinger Email, you would enter the following details. Type should be set to MX. In the name field, enter the @ symbol, which represents your root domain. In the mail server field, enter mx1.hostinger.com. Then set the priority to 10. The priority number tells the internet which mail server should be used first. Lower numbers mean higher priority. If your provider gives you multiple MX records, make sure you add each one separately with the correct priority values they provide. Once you've entered all the required information, click Add Record or Save to confirm the changes. You should now see your new MX record listed inside the DNS Zone Editor. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. DNS propagation can take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes in most cases, but sometimes it can take up to 1 or 2 hours to fully update worldwide. During this time, your email service may not work immediately, so just give it a little time and avoid making repeated changes unless necessary. And that's it. You've successfully added MX records to your Hostinger domain. This is a crucial step for setting up professional email with your custom domain, and now you know exactly how to do it properly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.